Halloween?
I am
Are you?
Go get the kid.
Back
Whoa,
the fuck up!
Okay,
Get away from me, all of you!
Put that shit down.
Shoot them, kid.
You! Put that stupid ass Robin Hood piece of shit down!
Kaz, it's okay.
Don't
Just calm.
move!
Okay.
Unpleasant deaths and let Roman go finger fishing in the kid's intestinal tract. We're gonna have to work together.
Would you?
Yeah. We're gonna work together and we'll get out of here in one piece, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Name Huntress.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, great name.
Wow. I really like how you were able to kick so high in those tight pants.
Yeah, that is cool.
Yeah.
Thanks. I owe you an apology.
Me?
I underestimated you, and I'm sorry.
I'm used to it.